Today I want to talk to everybody about hygiene. And I think hygiene's overlooked a lot because individuals are normally not out in a wilderness, woodland type environment for any extended amount of time. And I don't say that in any negative way, but most people go out for a day, 2 days, maybe 3 days, and they know they're going home, they're going to get a shower, and then they're going to be fine. But what about when we have to stay longer? And especially in the summer months, even them 3 days, you want to try to keep yourself healthy, guys. We don't want to get sick every time we go out in the woods. And I'm not going to say that's going to happen. I go out a lot of times and I don't keep my hygiene to the level it should be. Even if I'm out for a week and a half, I just let it go a little bit. But if we can stay on top of it, we should. So carrying a small hygiene kit should be super important. Keeping our nails clean, keeping all our private areas clean, keeping our armpits, everything clean is important. So other than just getting in some water and scrubbing ourselves off in a lake, a pond, or a river, what else can we do? Well, that's what we're going to talk about today. I'm going to show you the hygiene kit that I've been carrying and talk a little bit about it, and then give you guys just another option and something else to think about. This is just a small accessory bag, size small accessory bag from Frost River. These are great bags, and this is what carries all of my hygiene equipment. So what do I have for hygiene? Well, I have a little bit more than you probably need, but it just makes life so much easier. To start out, of course, toothbrush, toothpaste. You always want to take care of your teeth when you're out in the field. Oral hygiene, just for the simple fact, treating a toothache in the field is extremely, extremely hard. So if you have this stuff, keep your teeth brushed. You'll feel a lot better. I have a comb, bug dope. Make sure you're getting some kind of bug spray, bug dope, something on you for the summer months, just to keep yourself more comfortable. Nobody wants to get eaten alive by bugs. Next I have, this is Dr. Bronner's 18-in-1 soap. This stuff works great. You can use it from washing dishes to washing your hair, washing your beard, washing your body. It works just for about anything. You can actually wash fruit and vegetables with this. So this is something very valuable you might want to put in your bag. Next I have a small mirror. And this mirror is great just to inspect yourself. Okay, so if you have a small mirror with you, that's always a plus. I carry some drawing salve. Okay, if you get any kind of thorns, sticker bushes, stingers, anything like that, this salve will draw it out in just about a day and you're good to go. So I'd rather just carry this than have to go out and make it. So again, this kit is really, you could see, I mean, I'm carrying stuff that I might be able to get away with by making medicinals or using things in environment, but I want my life easy sometimes, so I'm gonna just carry this stuff with me. I'm not too worried about it. I have an empty glass jar with me in case I do make anything. I can always put it in here. I have at least a container with me, so I have that. And then the last three things I have in here is a small pair of scissors, just in case I need to cut anything. It's good to have them. I carry toenail clippers. Now, one thing that's overlooked a lot is your fingernails and toenails. They're going to grow quick while they're out in the woods, and they're also going to get dirty underneath. So you really need to keep your fingernails, more so than anything, clean underneath. I see so many people come out of the woods after a couple days and they're black underneath their fingernails. You shouldn't let that happen, guys. You get something stuck down in there, you're driving all that dirt, all that bacteria right into your system, infection right away. Okay, so keep that good and clean. Keep your nails trimmed. You rip a nail or something, have something to clean them up with. And I always say go with toenail clippers for the simple fact you can cut your toenails and fingernails with these, but fingernail clippers sometimes don't work on toenails, so it's better to go with the heavier duty ones. Go with the toenail clippers. And then lastly, a pair of tweezers for, of course, any kind of fine things, pulling out splinters, stingers, or anything like that if you can. And if that doesn't work, what do we got? We got the drawing salve. So this is my hygiene kit. This is what I'm using right now. It seems to be working out really well. There's nothing here that I would say, oh, I keep needing, other than maybe adding some medications. If you want to add some Tylenol or something for an upset stomach, go ahead and do that. It's easier, in my opinion, to carry that stuff than have to go try to create that off the landscape once those symptoms hit you. So that's where it's at, okay? So that's my hygiene kit. Again, you know, I talked a lot about the fingernails in the video, and that's an important thing I think people overlook all the time. Get that dirt out from underneath your fingernails. Keep that clean, because Something going up in there is driving all that bacteria and dirt right inside. Same with our teeth, same with our hair, our ears. Keep yourself clean, guys. I mean, it's an important thing, and it's just overlooked, I believe, a lot in this community. We think just jumping in a lake, we're gonna be okay. You carry a small kit during the summer months and you'll be fine. Winter, again, you know, you can go, I think, a little bit more extended because we're not usually sweating as bad. We're not as exposed. We have a lot heavier clothing on. So summer is really when you need to focus a lot more on that, and you really should be. Now, not to say that none of these things can't be replicated out here in nature, because they can be, but make life easy sometimes for yourself. Carrying that small little kit that weighs just about nothing compared to having to go out and find the correct resources to be able to take care of yourself, you know, that carrying that kit that's what you want to do. It just makes life easier. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't, keep yourself clean. And until the next video, stay in the woods, guys.